iBook Author is an app made by Apple, and I'm going to be doing a review on it today. You can access this app by going to the Apple Store, and it's compatible with iPads, Macs, your iPhone. The way it works is after you've downloaded it, you can select a template that Apple already has for you. And there's a variety of styles, like you can choose classic textbook, cookbook, you can do a photo book, and once you've chosen the template, you can add different text, graphics, movies, and more. So the book you're creating looks exactly the way you want it. And all you have to do is you drag and drop pages from Pages, or you can drop stuff from Microsoft Word to the book pane to add as a new section. You can drag and drop images, and once you have it the way you want it to look, your text will automatically flow around the way you have your page set up. I would definitely recommend iBook Author because it's easy to use and accommodations are available for those with disabilities. For example, it gives you the option to do voiceovers for those who are visually impaired. And also it notifies readers if you have a new book. So as soon as you publish it and save it on this app, others can view it. This is something I will definitely be using in the future. It's a fun way to do digital storytelling or present presentations. And I love writing, so I appreciate this tool and its ability to share written work easily. I will definitely use this in my future classroom for storytelling and literacy projects.